Caroline County in eastern Maryland, northeastern Humboldt County in eastern Maryland, central Queen Anne's County in northeast Maryland, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Cordova and moving north at 10 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Skipton around 5:45 p.m., Queen Anne around 6 o'clock p.m., Ridgely and 7 miles east of Y Mills around 6:05 p.m., Jumptown around 6:10 p.m., Star, Oakland, Hope and 6 miles southeast of Carville around 6:15 p.m. Doppler radar has indicated some rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. And now a special weather statement.